Hello students, today we'll be solving few questions from your textbook, the chapter Arithmetic Progressions. This is question number 15 from your exercise 5.3. I'll read the question for you. A contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows: rupees 200 for the first day, rupees 250 for second day, rupees 300 for the third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than for the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days? Okay, I'll explain the question once. The contractor has to complete the job on, just let me say any date here, that 15 of this month. He could not complete the work on that 15, so even he was doing the work on even that 16 also. Again on 16th he could not complete, so he has to just extend his day 17, 18, 19, 20 and just go on. But there is a rule, there is a law. If he cannot complete on the deadline, he has to pay a penalty. He was supposed to complete on that 15, but he could not. That's why he has to pay a penalty on 16th. That is the first day of delaying. He has to pay rupees 200. On the second day for his delay, he has to pay rupees 250. On the third day, he has to pay rupees 300. Like that, even in the fourth day, he has to pay 350. On the fifth day, he has to pay 400. So this is how the trend goes on. But the question is asking, if this contractor delays for 30 days, then how much amount he has to pay as a penalty? That's the question. So let me write here. The penalty for delay for first day equal to rupees 200. So the penalty for delay for second day, it will be rupees 250. So next, the penalty for delay for third day equal to rupees 300. So in this manner we can find even for the next days. So I'll just give here dot. Okay, so this list of numbers, that I mean when I say the number, it means that the penalty amount. So this list of numbers, what is actually this number? This list of numbers, this is penalty amount only. You can give inside the bracket forms and AP. Therefore first term will be 200 and common difference will be 50, because it just increased by 50, 50, 50. Succeeding day is actually 50 more than the preceding day, so D is 50. And the question is asking for how many days? 30 days. So N will be here 30. So you can write here, we have Sn equal to n by 2, then here twice a plus n minus 1 whole d. Therefore S30 will be equal to here 30 divided by 2, then here 2 into the value of A is 200, so here 200 plus 30 minus 1, the value of D is 50. So 30 divided by 2, we have here 15. 2 into 200, we have here 400 plus 30 minus 1, 29. 29 into 50, it will be 1450. So let me just drop this part. Then equal to 15 into 400 plus 1450, it will be 1850. So equal to, so 185, then here 15, 5 25 2, 5 40 42, 4, then 9, 5, 8, 1. So here 5, 7, 7, now it will be 2. So with this 0, then it will be here again 0. So we have 2, 7, 7, 5, 0. That means, therefore, the contractor has to pay rupees 27,750 as the penalty amount. Next we have question number 16. I'll read for you. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If its price is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, find the value of each of the prizes. Okay, I'll tell you the meaning. We have rupees 700 in our hand, and we are going to give cash prizes, the prize in the form of money, to how many students? To 7 students. So there will be first prize, second prize, third, fourth, until 7th. Example, if the first prize is rupees 100, the second prize will be decreased by 20. Decreased by 20 means 100 minus 20, he will get how much? 80. So the next will be 60, the next will be 40, and just goes on. Okay, so now we do not know what is actually the first prize, so let us just assume that let rupees X be the first prize. Then the second prize will be equal to here rupees X minus 20, because the question says very clearly it's just decreased by 20, 20, 20. Okay, so then the third prize equal to, it will be rupees here X minus 20, again minus 20. So we have here rupees X minus 40. So if we continue finding, this list of first prize, second prize, third prize, and so on will form an AP. So we can write here, this list of cash prizes forms an AP. So therefore first term A will be X and common difference D will be, please have a look at here, do not get confused. Second prize means actually this is X minus 20. So you can show here very clearly X minus 20 minus the first prize is X. So here X. Now these X and minus X we can cancel. So here X minus X cancel. So we have here minus 20. Now we know the first term and we know the common difference. So the value of N will be how much? We have here 7 students. So here N will be 7. Okay, I'll wrap this part now. But the amount that we have to give the prizes for all these 7 students is 700. How much? 700. That means S7 will be 700. S7 stands for the sum of all these 7 prizes. So what is the formula we have here? Here N by 2, then here twice A plus N minus 1 whole D. Then we have here 700. So N will be 7, then 2 here, 2 into A means here X. So here X plus here 7 minus 1. The value of D is minus 20. When there is minus, please pay attention. You can write here into, then here minus 20 equal to here 700. if you just write in this way, please, 7 minus 1, then here minus 20, then your answer will be wrong. Okay, so we'll continue now. This is 7 by 2 twice x. So plus into minus, there will be of course minus. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 into 20, we have here 120. So equal to 700. So 7 by 2. From these two terms, that means twice x and minus 120, we can take 2 as a common factor. So I'll be writing here 2. So remaining will be x minus 60, then equal to 700. So now 2 cancel, so that these 7 will multiply here, 7 into x, 7x, then 7 into minus 60, we have minus 420, then equal to 700. So x equal to, so 7x equal to 700 plus 420. So the value of x will be given by 1120 divided by this 7. If we cancel, how much we'll get? 7 1 is 7, then 7 6 42, then 160. Now the value of x is 160. That means the first price is 160. So let me just wipe out this part. Therefore, the first case price equal to, that is actually x, so x means we have rupees 160. So the second case price is equal to x minus 20. That means rupees 160. So I'll put here rupees now. 160 minus 20, we have here rupees 140. So the third case price is equal to 140 minus 20, it will be 120. Next, the fourth case price is equal to rupees 100. So the fifth case price is equal to rupees 80. The sixth case price is equal to rupees 60, and the seventh case price is equal to rupees 40. So now we have found out the first case price, second, third, fourth till the seventh. So the answer is done. We will be moving to the next question. Here is the question. Question number 17. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce the air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of its class will plant will be same as the class in which they are studying. Example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree. A section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the students? Okay, I'll give the picture of this question. We have classes from class 1 to 12. Class 1, how many sections? Every class will have 3 sections. So class 1 will have 3 sections. Maybe section A, B, C, like that. So 3 sections. And class 2 also will have 3 sections. Class 3 will have even 3 sections. So each section, now these sections are from where? They are from section. They are from class 1. That means each class, each section, they will plant just 1 tree. 1 tree, then 1 tree. Then class 2, even the class 2 has 3 sections. Each section will plant how many trees? 2 trees. Here also 2 trees. Here 2 trees. Similarly, the class 3, each section will be planting 3. So we have till how many classes? Till 12th. Even for this, they have 3 sections. So 12 trees, then 12 trees. So now I can identify how many trees will be planted by all the 3 sections of class 1. It will be 1 into 3. And what about class 2? It will be 2 into 3. That means class 1 will plant 3 trees. Then class 2 will plant how many? 6 trees. The class 3, 9 trees, and so on. Okay. So the question is asking all together from class 1 till class 12, how many plants will be, how many trees will be planted? Okay, now let's begin. Each class has 3 sections each. Okay, so number of trees planted by classes 1, 2, 3, 4, and then here 11, then here 12 are 1 into 3, 2 into 3, 3 into 3, 4 into 3, and so on. And this part there is no space, so let me just write here 11 into 3, then 12 into 3. That is 1 into 3, 3, 2 into 3, 6, 3 into 3, 9, then 4 into 3, 12. So it just goes on, and 11 into 3, 33, 12 into 3, 36. So this list of numbers forms an AP. So therefore first term is 3. Common difference is 6 minus 3. We have here 3. And let us find the number of terms. We can find very easily. Why? We have 12 classes actually. No, 12 classes in the sense we have class 1, 2, 3 till 12. That means n will be 12. And for this AP, what is the last term here? 36. So L is 36. So now we have to find the value of S12. So now let's find. Let me just rub this part. Okay, therefore S12 equal to here n by 2, then A plus L. The value of n will be replaced by 12 by 2. Here first term is 3. What is the last term? 36. Then 12 by 2 we have here 6, then into 39. So 6 9 are 54, 5 6 3 18, 23. That means total number of trees that will be planted by the students is 234. So number of trees that will be planted by the students is 234. Okay students, I hope that you'd be learning something today. Thank you so much for watching the video once again, and we'll see you again.